Look, fire trucks are now being equipped with sharp tools that can easily extinguish fires burning deep inside enclosed spaces. Let me explain how it works. Normally, when a fire breaks out, firefighters can put it out simply by spraying water on it. But when a fire starts inside something completely enclosed, like a shipping container or an airplane, it becomes much harder to reach the flames. That's where this 20-inch long piercing tool comes in. First, firefighters drive the tool through the wall of the burning container or aircraft. Then, water is sprayed through small openings in the tool, flooding the inside from multiple directions and quickly extinguishing the fire without needing to open the structure.